Art appreciation is an essential aspect of human life. It refers to the recognition and understanding of the value and significance of various art forms. Art can take many forms including visual arts, music, theater, literature, and dance. Art appreciation promotes...
Firstly, art appreciation promotes creativity. When one appreciates art, they begin to see the world in different ways, noticing details and beauty that may have gone unnoticed before. This newfound perspective can inspire individuals to create their own works of art, whether it be through painting, writing, or music. Art appreciation can also help individuals to develop their creativity by providing inspiration and ideas for their own artistic endeavors.
Secondly, art appreciation encourages critical thinking and often carries a message or meaning which requires the viewer to think deeply about what they are seeing or hearing. By analyzing the themes symbolized in art, individuals can develop their critical thinking skill which can be useful in many areas of life, including problem solving and decision making.
Thirdly, art appreciation promotes cultural awareness. Art is often a reflection of the cultures and society in which it is created. By appreciating and from different cultures and times, prophets and individuals can begin to differ understandings of the around them. These understandings can be helped to break down cultural barriers and promote tolerance and acceptance different perspectives.
Art appreciations can improve mental health. Studies have shown that engaging art reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. By appreciating art, individuals can find a sense of calm and relaxation, which can be beneficial for mental health.
In conclusion, art appreciation is an essential aspect of human life. It promotes creativity, critical thinking, cultural awareness, mental health, and personal development. So by engaging with art, individuals can broaden their perspective and gain new insight and development, deeper appreciation for the world around them.
So before we end this video, by the way, I'm Deck Cadet Rian.
I am Deck Cadet Ogor.
I'm the Cadet Beham.
I am Cadet Papalit.
I'm Deck Cadet Gayas. We are signing off. Yup.